Hello students, welcome ulit. So, same pa din, problem number 3 na tayo. Continue tayo sa problem number 3. Same pa din, we have find the equation of the curve wherein the slope daw at any point, again, slope is dy over dx. So, the slope at any point will have the equation x plus 1 over y minus 1. Tama no? X plus 1 over y minus 1. Okay? So, again, this is just the same sa previous problem natin. So, i-group lang natin, ilagay natin sa left side ang y, ilagay natin sa right side ang mga x. So, ang y, bale, this will become y dy, no? Yan, y dy, and then yung isa, this will become x plus 1 dx. Again, after nyan, we can actually integrate both sides of the equation. So, integral of y plus 1 dy, and then yung isa naman, integral of x plus 1. Dx. Okay, again, I think diretso na, di ba? So, integral nito is actually equal to, diretso ko na, tatanggalin ko na lang. So, I think diretso na, no? This is y squared minus 1 over 2. I mean, y minus 1 squared over 2 and then equal to ito over 2 and then plus c, or if you want you can multiply both sides by 2. Okay, so I think that's it. Ito na yung sagot natin. Anyway, let's try to check daw kung same ba to sa answer key natin dito sa book na ginagamit natin. Okay, actually sa book nag-simplify pa siya. Sige, so yan yung gagawin natin. Okay, so again, since nag-simplify man yung book, actually gawin naman din natin. So, to remove this over 2 dito, we can actually multiply both sides of the equation by 2. Okay, and then this will be, 2 will actually cancel out dito sa y, same din dito sa x. However, meron tayong 2c dito. Okay, next, let's try to distribute, no? I mean, let's try to expand this term. Again ha, a minus b square is, ano ngayon? A square minus 2ab plus b square, di ba? Or, I can just actually write this one diretso, no? Diretso ko na lang. So, this will be y square minus 2y plus 1 must be equal to x square. Oh, actually, x plus 1 man yan. So, plus 2x plus 1. And then plus 2c. Notice, we have 1 on both sides of the equation. So, this will cancel out. Kasi may plus 1 sa kabila, may plus 1 sa kabila. It will be, ma-cancel out yan. So, tanggalin natin. Now, ultimately, that will be our equation. I think yan na yung nasa answer key natin. Check na natin ulit. Uy, hindi pa din. Okay. So, sa answer key, nilipat niya, ito to, gusto natin na ilipat to, gusto natin equals to 0, no? So, anyway, ililipat na natin itong nasa left side of the equation. We will transfer this one sa right side. So, this will become, ito magiging minus. So, pag ililipat natin to, this will become minus y. And then, ito naman, this will become plus. Kasi negative magiging positive. Okay? And then, equal yan sa 0 or, ito na lang, equal to 0. Okay? So, I think ito, nilipat, dito natin ilalagay itong minus y, dito natin ilalagay after. Yan. Okay, and then ito, palit natin. Yan, I think okay na. Sige, check natin ulit. Yan, so I think more or less the same na tayo. Sige, so but again ha, if ako yung instructor ninyo, actually ito, tatanggapin ko na to. But, depende pa din sa instructor ninyo. But since ito yung nasa book, we'll be following this one. Okay, so same pa din. If you have any questions or clarifications, please comment down below. Salamat sa panonood and see you sa next video natin, which is problem number 4. Sorry.